guarantee. Sponsored by your Wisconsin Chevy Super Dealers.
All right, Mother Nature is going to throw a lot in our general direction over the next couple of days, but I think the main story when all is said and done will be the threat for significant icing across the north. That's where we do have an ice storm warning. South of that, just to the north and west of Green Bay, a winter storm watch is in place. Now, as you take a look at the ice accumulation forecast, you can see many locations north and west of the Fox Valley are expected to see anywhere from a half an inch to an inch of ice with locally higher amounts possible. That type of icing will produce power outages with lots of tree damage expected, and travel could become impossible tomorrow night into Sunday. Now, before the ice storm arrives, make sure you've got water and food, at least a 3-day supply, have a source of heat. A first aid kit should be in the house somewhere, and you'll want a flashlight and batteries if the power does go out. So another significant spring/winter storm making its way through northeast Wisconsin over the next couple of days. But to the south and east of it today, it actually felt like summer, including parts of Wisconsin. La Crosse hit 84. Prairie du Chien hit 84. It was 81 in Madison. Here in the NBC 26 viewing area, we had 77 in Kingston, 76 in Waupun, the high temperature in Oakfield all the way up to 75 degrees. Farther north, however, it was a completely different story. Temperatures only in the mid to upper 30s for highs north and east of Green Bay. Right now in Appleton, it is mostly sunny and 52. In Green Bay, it's 43 with that northeast wind at around 20 miles per hour. That northeast wind is what kept it much cooler once you got north and east of Lake Winnebago. Now, that warm air surged in today, but out ahead of it, we had some thunderstorms this morning across central and eastern Wisconsin, and the threat for thunderstorms is not done yet. We've got a few scattered showers out there right now, but we've had thunderstorms across far northwestern Wisconsin and the UP. In fact, we had a severe thunderstorm warning about an hour ago here, including Superior and points east, and there actually is a marginal risk for severe weather tonight. North and west of Green Bay, you can see that marginal risk impacts Wapaka County north into Marinette County. And the main threat from any thunderstorms would be obviously some locally heavy rain, but also hail up to an inch in diameter. You can see on the high-res future radar, those thunderstorms will really start to come together here as we head deeper into the evening, especially north and west of Green Bay. All this activity being kicked off by a warm front and a small area of low pressure across western Wisconsin. The main storm is now pulling out of the Rockies, and that'll move across the Great Lakes here tomorrow and Sunday. You can see east of it, temperatures were in the 80s today, feeling more like July. We will not have any warm temperatures tomorrow anywhere within the NBC 26 viewing area, with gusty northeast winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. High temperatures tomorrow only in the 30s. There's still going to be a chance of thunderstorms, however, even with that colder air. Severe weather is not expected, but locally heavy rain is possible over the next 2 days. 1 to 2 inches of rain not out of the question. You can see on Skycast we'll have showers, maybe a thunderstorm tomorrow, and then a soaking rain at times or icing across the north as we head through tomorrow and Sunday. And then on Sunday, everybody gets into the wintry mix. And by the time it comes to an end, we could have some snow. The heaviest snow will pass well to our north and west, but some minor accumulations are possible late Sunday into Monday morning. So tonight, showers and thunderstorms, lows in the mid-30s. Tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms with all different types of precipitation, mainly rain, but icing across the north. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 38. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Child Care Resource and Referral. And we did not do that today. I told you last night it was going to be an impossible forecast. I really needed the 40-degree guarantee, not the 3-degree guarantee, because at 3 o'clock, temperatures range from 76 to 35 degrees. We're going to wrap up March and move into April with another storm late Tuesday and Wednesday.
Still ahead here on NBC 26 News.